Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox closing or crashing automatically without any error after update on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let's get started. First solution, go to search bar, type nvidia app, open it. Go to graphics tab. Find Roblox. Scroll down. Open legacy settings. Find smooth motion. Disable it. You can also go to global settings. Scroll down. Find smooth motion. Turn it off. Second solution, open Microsoft Store. Open or install Roblox from there. Third solution, go to search bar, type device security, open it. Go to core isolation. Turn off memory integrity. Restart your PC. Fourth solution, press Window plus R. Type %local app data %. Find Roblox folder. Delete it. Now open Registry Editor. Then go to HKey Current User Software, Roblox Corporation. Delete it. Fifth solution, go to Settings. Apps, Installed Apps. Search Roblox. Uninstall it, then download and install fresh version again. Seventh solution, go to Device Manager. Open Display Adapters. Right-click GPU, Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. Eighth solution, open System Configuration. Go to Services. Hide all Microsoft services. Disable all. Apply. Restart PC. If the issue still continues, try reinstalling NVIDIA drivers. I hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to the channel.